In this video, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the K2. This is a keypad used for access control. This will all form part of our access control series. So let's open up the device itself. So here we have the manual. Again, I'll encourage you, please just read the manual. It gives very detailed instructions on how to wire up this device to a backup battery, to a lock, the two different types of locks you would typically find with this, the alarm relay. So it's quite important to take care when wiring it up so that the device functions correctly. Like I said, we sold thousands of these units, so they're quite reliable and they do work very well. Let's look at the device itself. So I can definitely tell you this thing is heavy duty. It's quite heavy and it looks very solid. So once this is on the wall, it's going to prevent anyone from tampering with it. You undo the unit there by this little spline screw. So you would disconnect that, and here's all your wires for wiring everything up. It comes with all the screws and the little spline key there as well. If you guys have got any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with one of our branches. We'll do our best to assist you. Have a great day.